everyone. I just thought I'd come on quickly because I've just had a delivery from Wool Warehouse. I've been ordering a lot from them recently because I'm making a blanket and I've miscalculated the amount of yarn that I need, so every now and then I just have another browse of their website and I'm like, oh, do I need something extra? No, I don't. I've got enough yarn, but they've just, well, Yarnsmiths have been doing a lot more colours for Wool Warehouse, and they've been doing other brands like the Stylecraft DK colours. They've got their own version of their colours now, so that's really cool. But I saw these yarns, Pebble Haze Prints by Yarnsmiths, and I really wanted to try them because the colours look really pretty, but on the website it's really hard to see what the colours are. The swatches are not that great, and the swatches are in knitted. They do a knitted sample as well, so it's a bit harder to tell what it's going to be like when you crochet it. So I ordered two cakes because they're on special offer at the moment, so they're £6 instead of £10. I got this one. I thought I'd share today because the colour in this office, the sunshine, is looking nice. Don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, so this says shade shade 2D100, and it's it does have a name, and can I remember it? No, they're all named after beaches. So if that's, oh, what's it called? Could be Saltburn. Anyway, that's one of them. It's really pretty. It's kind of like a pastel rainbow. It's got more pinks and orangey kind of colours in it. So it's an autumny pastel beach. And then I've got this one, shade 2D090. And this is more my kind of colours. It's like blues, let me see, blues, turquoise, greeny, purpley, lilac-y. Pretty, isn't it? And it's got that kind of hand painted feel. I think they're middle pull. So it says, let me see, what does it say? 4mm hook, 150 grams. It's a decent amount. You could probably make a small blanket out of that if you've got the right stitch. I'm tempted to do granny squares. I want to make a blanket, so I was thinking granny squares or corner to corner, and just use these like willy-nilly. But they've got such a lovely pattern. The way the colour's gone, it's like a hand painted. It's like a hand dyed yarn, and it's a, you can't see, you can just see my messy bedroom. Oh, it's trying to focus. Okay, well, can't focus without doing it on the camera. Let's see if we can zoom in. Ooh. Can you see the type of yarn that is? It's like a hollow tube of yarn. It's not a twisted, that's a nice close-up, isn't it? It's not a twisted thing. It says it's a blown tube or something like that. Anyway, I just wanted to come on and show you because I'm all excited, and they're on special offer, and I think I might just order another couple just to try because I really like the colours. So I will get back to you when I've crocheted something with this. But seeing as the light is so pretty in the office today, la 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 la.